More than 25% of the universities in our country are already accepting CUET UG entrance test score for admissions to their undergraduate programs. And this includes Delhi University, BHU, JNU, Jamia Millia Islamia, Aligarh Muslim University, and many other. CUET 2024 witnessed 283 universities directly participating in the CUET examination to admit students based on their performance for their undergraduate courses. CUET is not an easy examination as you are made to think. Let me share a very simple insight. Compared to last year, where the total number of students who scored a perfect 200 out of 200 in mathematics, this year the number stood at 5. Similarly, last year in CUET 2023, 5,685 students scored 200 out of 200 in the English paper, which came crashing down to 1,683 students this year. CUET is a very different examination altogether, which means you have to prepare differently, not only for the language paper, but also for the domain subjects which you will be writing in the CUET UG examination. And for many of you, general tests become very, very important because it's part of the eligibility criteria for many of the universities which are in CUET UG. The Career Launchers CUET Express 2025 online is designed for students who could not make a start earlier but want to crack the examination and get into one of the best colleges and universities of our country for their undergraduate studies. The program is a blend of intensive classroom session with a focused break towards your board preparation and revision after the board examination. It also includes mock tests, chapter tests, and self-paced video lessons. The best part of the program is you get the flexibility to select the subjects, the language paper, and the section 3, which is general test, as per your requirement. You can take up to 40 mocks in this program, which helps you develop your strategy. The chapter tests, which are to be taken at the end of the session, helps you understand whether you have grasped the concept or not. Believe me, CUET is very different from what you are doing right now, what you are preparing for right now. You need to understand the nuances very well, and every faculty member at Career Launcher takes the CUET examination for the same reason, to help you understand how to prepare, when to prepare, and also what to leave. The faculty members in this program will help you develop your strategy for the examination as well. The program also involves support for the form filling, help you understand any specific criteria which is required for the examination, helps you understand anything to be particular about as far as the application form is concerned, and also about Delhi University Common Seat Allocation System. This program is designed for students who are curious but also ambitious. This program is designed for students like you who want to get into colleges like St. Stephen's, SRCC, or a top university like BHU or JNU. Explore more about the program and join us for your success.